guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to hide text in Charecter AI. Let's begin with the tutorial. Firstly, open your Charecter AI. Then over here, you can see the option of Elon Musk. I'll send some text. Then over here, hold the text. There you can see the option of new chat from here. Then all your chats will be hidden. Then after, what you can do another step is tap on the chat you want. Here you can see the option of character, hide character. Tap on it, then yours chat. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.